Hi, I'm Mike Cope, Director of Ministry Outreach for Pepperdine University, and I want to invite you to our 2024 Harbor Gathering on the Malibu campus of Pepperdine. The theme this year is Run with Perseverance, taken from the book of Hebrews. I think it's an image most churches can identify with, still recovering from COVID and from coming to terms with declining attendance patterns of churches of all stripes in the United States. In chapter 12, the Hebrews writer says to his people, "You have weak arms, feeble knees." It's a picture of weary people, weary of running. Whatever the causes may have been, he's writing to encourage them. In fact, at the end of the book, he says, "I've written you this word of exhortation." So we're trusting that as we use Hebrews as our background book, we'll come together this week on our campus for a time of real encouragement. You'll be encouraged by the fellowship of other believers, by the beauty of God's creation, by the hundreds of classes and keynote sessions, and by stirring worship sessions led by the Zoe Group and by United Voice Worship. So we want to invite you. We'd love to have you register and join us.